the multifunction switch going out is a common problem in the TJ Wranglers. So what we're going to do is replace it with this new unit. Got this on quadratic and it has everything you need. All you have to do is just reuse the wiper blade function on the right. Everything else comes with a new switch, and it's pretty simple plug and play, so let's get to it. First things first, got these two Phillips heads right here. Got to take those out. Once you take those out, this cover will come off. So now you have the steering column looking like this. Back here, there is this red locker right here. Gotta slide that over while pushing the gray clip underneath and get that out, and then this whole piece right here will come out. Get the red piece pushed back, pull that gray part out, then you have the second red piece, push that in, and then you pull this gray set of wires out to get the wiper blades disconnected. Two T20 Torx bits to take out. Well, supposed to have two. I guess someone's worked on this before, so I only have the one. We have the old multifunction switch out. Then we have to get the new one in first. We have to take the windshield wiper controls out of this unit by removing the two T10 bits, right? The two T10 screws right here. This will slide out, put it in this side of the new one, screws in, and we'll be good to go. So now we have the windshield wiper controls in the new one. Don't forget these rubber grommets that are going to be on your old ones, or else you're going to have a gap right here in the trim. Don't want to have that. So now let's get this back installed and make sure that it is. We have the new unit in. Flipping the switch here to make sure that the headlights are working. And we are good. Easy fix, not a problem. Hope this helps you guys out.